Law enforcement on the coast is coming together, forming a partnership, all in an effort to combat the fentanyl crisis plaguing the Yurok tribe. The North States News' Vienna King spoke with those on the front lines to see what their hopes are for their partnership.
The Norte County plus the Humboldt County Sheriff's Office are willing to cross jurisdictional lines to help the Yurok Tribal Police combat the fentanyl crisis here on the reservation. Law enforcement say due to high traffic of the 101 and the easy access on the internet, it's causing drugs to run rapid in Norte and Humboldt County.
Marijuana, methamphetamines, everything's just kind of being laced with fentanyl. We're seeing it in tablet form, we're seeing it in powder form.
Norte County Sheriff Garrett Scott says this partnership will help them share resources due to lack of funding for rural communities and a law enforcement shortage.
So it's been pretty difficult to establish a narcotics unit, and I only have now two, as in the last 2 weeks, two full-time investigators working criminal cases, but also now working on narcotics cases. So,
in addition to the lack of law enforcement, Norte County is also seeing an increase in overdoses in just the past year.
Last year, right at about 37 overdose deaths in Norte County, and those were nearly all fentanyl overdose deaths.
Currently, both sheriff offices, along with the Yurok Tribal Police, are working to establish communication to see what resources they can share.
We have a process that we need to go through to be able to ensure a successful prosecution, but not everyone in the community understands that. And so I think it's important for our tribal leadership to understand what the process is and what law enforcement needs to be able to conduct a successful investigation.
Plans are currently still in the discussion phase as they plan to gather more resources. We will continue to follow their plans to keep fentanyl off the streets. In Klamath, Vienna King, the North States News.
Leaders say they hope this partnership will make a positive turn in the community, turning away from the destructive impact the fentanyl crisis has caused.